Hi everyone, it's Jen. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. So today's video is going to be my unboxing for the February's Ipsy Ultimate. So the Ipsy Ultimate, Ipsy has 3 tiers. You have the $12 a month bag that you get, I believe it's 5 full-size products, and then they have the Ipsy Plus, which is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products, and then they have the Ipsy Ultimate that is $50 a month, and you get 8 full-size products and 4 deluxe size samples in that box. So if you want to see what I got in this month's box, go ahead and keep on watching. All right, so like I had said, this is the Ipsy Ultimate for $50 a month. I don't know what happened to my box, but it looks like it's has definitely seen better days. So I'll show you what we got. We did get a card in this month's box, but it did not have the prices of the products that came in this box like it normally does. So I was a little disappointed about that. So it does just have this card right here. So I'll get started with, so this is the you get a bag every month. So this is the bag that we got for this month. It is pink. It is super soft. I really like it, and it's actually a pretty good size, and it's got a little pocket inside. So I do actually really love this bag. So all right, the next thing that we have is I am pulling stuff up on my phone so that way I can give you guys prices, because it is on my app, the Ipsy app that I have, so I can let you guys know how much everything actually costs. So this is the Tokyo Milk Anthamisa, I don't know how to say that, I don't know that word, hand cream. So this is, the packaging on this is super cute. So I really do like this box a lot. So that's the outer carton, and then this is what it looks like inside, and then inside you have your hand cream. There we go, got it out. And this is the packaging. It is a super cute packaging, and it smells really good. It is a semi thick formula, hand cream formula, I guess, but not like super thick. It doesn't seem to be really oily. It smells really good. I'm not usually a fan of getting hand creams in my boxes, but this one's not too bad. It smells really good, and it retails for $22. So that is the first thing. The next thing we've got, let me see what's, okay, the next thing is, this is a sample, or no, this is not a sample. This is a full size, because this is a cream lip balm from Polar, I guess is what you would say. It's supposed to keep your lips soft and moisturized. I don't wear a lot of lip balms, so I'm not sure how much use I will get out of this, to be honest. But it retails for $11. Alright, so the next thing we have is, this is from the brand called Feel, and I believe we have gotten, or I got face masks from this brand in a few of my boxes, and I did really like their face masks, their sheet masks. So this is the Harmony Rose Petal Facial Mask, and this is, it says on here that it is a ultra concentrated toning gel. It is not at all what I was actually expecting. It definitely smells like roses. So, but that is what it looks like. And it retails for $55. So that's a pretty spendy face mask there. Let me see. It says that it's concentrated trio of roses, petals, essential oils, and extract. Deeply hydrate, help encourage skin cell turnover, and soothe redness and sensitivity. The result, your glowiest skin ever. So that's $55. I have a lot of kind of face creams and stuff that I'm using right now, but I will try and give that one a try just so I can do a good review on it for you guys at some point. This is from Dolce Cosmetics, I guess is how you say it. It is a Punk Volumizer Mascara in black. This is what the packaging looks like. So it's got, definitely has different packaging. I do like it. It's a soft kind of satin matte style packaging. And then this is the wand. It's definitely a larger, fluffier style wand. And this is $24, which for a good mascara is not that bad. So that's the kind that I really like. Actually, I spend a couple dollars more than that on it. So that is not too bad. Next we have, this is this is also a sample, and this is from Khalees, and this is Better Bean Clean Face Coffee Cleanser. So the full size of this for 120 mLs is $21.95. Again, this is just the sample size. It smells okay. I guess it could smell like a vanilla coffee, I guess. I don't know, but you can definitely feel the stuff inside of it that exfoliates your face. You can definitely feel that in there. So we have that, and then we have from Pacifica Beauty, these are rose water and coconut makeup removing wipes. There is 10 in here. And it doesn't show on my app how much these are. So, but if I hit shop, I can see what they actually retail for. So it is $6 for 10 of them. They're out of stock, so they might be pretty good. But yeah, I'll give it a try. I generally use my makeup eraser these days versus makeup wipes, but I'll give them a try. and see how they are. Next we have, this is from, it's either Playa or Playa, I don't quite remember. This is a New Day Mist, and this is, it is a 3-in-1 style refresh, and this is for your hair. It's got a fine mist. Well, it's kind of it's a fine mist, but it actually at the same time comes out a lot and really fast. It does have a very strong smell. No, don't spray that much of it. It does have a very, very strong smell. This is $24. It is a pretty good sized bottle actually, and it seems heavy, so it probably would last you quite a while. So that one's $24. And then the next thing that we have is from Skylar, and this is a hydrating body lotion with hyaluronic acid in Capri, and I believe this is a deluxe sample size, which will be fine. It's easy to travel with these ones, so it smells pretty good. I don't think I have heard of this brand, nor do I have anything from this brand, so I'll give it a try and see what I think. I do like using new brands. The next thing that we have is from Bali Fire, which is again a brand that I've never heard of. So, but this is a matte lipstick. The shade is in Sunset Boulevard, and that is what it looks like. It is coming off a little more pink in the camera than what it actually is. It's a little bit darker than what it's showing up as, but it is very pretty. So this is $15 for the full size. I do most of my bullet lipstick that I have because I've gotten them in subscription boxes, because I really do tend to gravitate towards the liquid lipsticks a lot more than the bullet style lipsticks. So, but it is a very pretty color, so I will give it a try. The next thing that we have is from Makeup Geek, which I don't have anything from Makeup Geek either, but I have heard amazing things about them. This is the Champagne and Rose eyeshadow palette, and it is 8 colors. They are pretty. This one here feels a little gritty, I guess you could call it, but I mean it's pigmented. It just does definitely feel very gritty, but the other ones don't feel like that. So I don't know if that's just the way that formula is, but I mean the pigmentation is definitely there. So it's definitely got pigmentation to it. So this is $19.99, so $20. That's not that bad, actually. Then we have, this is from Estella Grace. I do not own one of these because this is kind of something that I just really figured didn't work and was probably just a waste of money. But I don't know, the more I'm like finding out about them, I've heard really good things. So I am actually going to give it a try, but this is the Grace and Stella Rose Quartz Facial Roller, and this is what the package looks like. And then you open it up and you've got your centerpiece here, and then this is what it looks like. It is very like heavy. It's heavier than I thought, than I was originally anticipating it would be. So I am definitely going to use this when I'm doing like my skincare routine, because I have heard a lot of people that I know that say they really like it. So I will definitely give it a try and see what I think. And it is $29 for that. And then the last thing in here is from, I believe it is a Shana B, I believe is again a brand I've never heard of. But this is the Eyes on Miami brush set, and it is an eye set. It comes with 5 brushes. This is what they look like. These are the handles, and then you've got like this like rose gold here. They feel very, very, very soft. I do like that each brush actually tells you what it's for, so you don't have to do what I do, which is just kind of guess and mix and match your brushes, not knowing if you're actually using the right one or not. So you've got the smudge brush, the shadow brush, a concealer brush, a blending brush, and a eye crease brush. So there is 5 of them, and these retail for $60. So I'm excited to give these a try, because that's a pretty high price tag on these. So I'm definitely excited to give those a try and see how those work. So that is everything that I got in my Ipsy Ultimate. I don't like this one as much as my last one, but there are a few products in here, you know, that I will use. There's a few that I've never heard of, which doesn't really bother me. I do like trying new brands. So it's not my favorite one, but it's definitely not the worst one either. So, but that is everything that I have for you. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.